Hi, my name's Finbar from Andrew Ingredients, and tonight we're going to make some quick and easy soda bread. So there's two ways you can make it. You can buy some ready-made soda bread flour, or you can make your own. Tonight we're going to make our own soda bread flour. So we've got 600 grams of plain flour. We've got 10 grams of salt. We've got 35 grams of baking powder. So we mix this up just by hand, so mix all the dry ingredients together so they're evenly dispersed. 1 or 2 minutes should do it with your hand. So once that's all mixed through, just make a little well in the middle. We're going to add a teaspoon of oil, vegetable oil, and 1 pint of buttermilk. Just pour all the buttermilk in. With the spoon, mix it through. So you're trying to get all the flour and the buttermilk mixed together so there's no dry bits. So from that, we have a 6-inch round cake tin. So you put 450 grams into the cake tin. Just spread it out. Just sprinkle of flour on top. Push it out. With a knife, just cut it. Down the middle. So that goes into a preheated oven, 200 degrees for 30 minutes. And with the rest, we're going to make soda Farls. We just flour the bench. And take out the mix. Just fold it with the flour so it's nice and smooth. Then with a little rolling pin, just roll it out. So pin it out and then just cut it with a knife. And put it in a griddle. Or a frying pan. Just have it on a medium heat and bake it for about 6 minutes on each side. So after 30 to 35 minutes in the oven, you should get a loaf like this, and with 6 or 7 minutes on each side, soda Farls like this.